References for credits and criteria related to credit for hydrant size, type, and installation are shown here. When it comes to fire hydrants, size matters. Main size, that is. The branch size referred to here is the size of the water main on which the hydrant is installed. You will see on the next slide that the main size plays a critical role in the amount of credit that is available for each hydrant. Hydrants come in various types and styles. Those on at least a 6-inch main and having at least one pumper outlet receive the most credit, followed by those without a pumper outlet but having 2 or more 2.5-inch outlets. Hydrants with only one 2.5-inch outlet, flush type hydrants, cisterns or suction points, and hydrants on smaller branches receive the least credit. Finally, there's the matter of installation. Installation of hydrants and dry hydrants should be in accordance with applicable NFPA and American Water Works Association standards. This table shows the credit possible for each type of hydrant and its installation. As I stated before, hydrants with at least one pumper outlet on a 6-inch or larger main get the most credit at 100 points per hydrant. A hydrant with a pumper outlet on a smaller main would only get 25 points per hydrant. This is a significant difference. Take a moment to review this chart. Let's look now at how the credits for hydrant size, type, and installation are calculated. The formula shown here looks fairly straightforward until we consider the value of pH. pH is the sum of the credits for individual hydrants, but is based on a prorated value dependent on each hydrant size, type, and installation. Let's look at a simple example. In this example, the graded area has 100 fire hydrants. 75 of these have a pumper outlet and are installed on 6-inch or larger mains. Because these represent 75% of the total number of hydrants, 75% of 100 is 75 points earned by these hydrants. The other 25 hydrants have only two 2.5-inch outlets, but these too are installed on 6-inch or larger mains. These hydrants represent 25% of the total number of hydrants. Hydrants in this category can earn 75 points, so 25% of 75 is 18.75 points earned by these hydrants. If we add this to the 75 points already earned by the hydrants with pumper outlets, we get a total value of pH of 93.75 points. Doing the math in the credit calculation formula reveals that this area earns 2.81 out of 3 possible points. Finally, I'd like to say that a community with no fire hydrants will not earn any credit in this area. This concludes my presentation related to credit for hydrant size, type, and installation. As always, we at the Property Insurance Association hope this information has been useful to you. If you should have any questions about this presentation or any other rating-related topic, please do not hesitate to call. In closing, I'd like to thank you for your time and attention, and I hope you have a great day.